back 25 years ago when, and I attended a training session. It was a full-day workshop, 2-day workshop actually, in Chicago. I remember it vividly. It was at the Hyatt Hotel, and these were the days when Eric was really just getting PPS off the ground. In fact, it wasn't even known as PPS at the time. It was essentially a price training session with Eric Mitchell. There were about 15 clients or companies that were in attendance, and I was one of them. I was sent there by my consulting firm at the time, and it was a wonderful experience because Eric took a very casual approach to learning and teaching, and really introduced the 15 different participants around the room. It was an experience that really got me excited about pricing. And henceforth, several years later, I started my own strategy pricing firm. Eric has done an amazing job expanding this industry. We started with 15 people attending the workshops. I think Eric was running them biannually.
Yes.
Now we're up to anywhere from 500 to 800 people attending twice a year here in America. And I kudos to Eric and his son Kevin,
Yeah.
Who've done an amazing job creating, capturing, and communicating value. So good luck. I wish you well, Eric, and stay healthy and keep up the good work.
Thanks so much. And then let everybody know you're reporting live from Las Vegas, about to lead a fabulous workshop. It's going to be a great week. Thanks.